Let's have a look at email marketing. Our email marketing can be found on the control panel under the marketing section and link called email marketing. So here is what we have. The first screen that we see right here will just gives you a little idea of how easy it is to create an email marketing campaign. So there's 3 easy steps we have to do: create a mailing list, import our contacts, create a campaign, and get ready to go. So let's look at each of these little areas in a little bit more detail. So we have on this first step right here, mailings. As you might notice, we have templates that already come pre-configured and are ready for you to use when you come onto the platform. So there's a few different templates right here. Some are optimized for maybe sending out email letters or some auto communication that you might want to do with your members or clients. So with these templates, we can simply create a new mailing based on the template, so it's very easy to reuse. We also support campaigns, meaning we can group mailings together in a campaign. This is very helpful to do A/B testing. So this will allow you to create 2 versions of a mailing, send them out maybe to half of a mailing list, and then see how these two compare to each other and which of the emails fares better. So this helps you really figure out your membership base and how you would want to communicate to them best. So let's open up a new mailing reel here, and we'll just go through some of the fields. So we can give this mailing, of course, a name. There are some other corner data that we can add to it, like subject, of course, sender's full name, reply to email addresses, etc. So we support text versions of of a mail as well as HTML versions. So if you want to use HTML, this is a straightforward editor that allows us to type right here. Of course, we can also copy paste some information in here as well. We can add pictures to this, videos, links, whatever your heart desires. Down here we actually have a way to select one of those templates that I mentioned right before. So let's go and maybe just grab one right here, and it will be loaded right here in our editor. So we only have to make changes to it and not start from scratch. So that could be quite a help. Other things we have under this general area right here, we can select our mailing list that we want to send this to, and if we'd like to, we can actually connect this to a campaign. There's no campaigns that currently exist in the systems. That's why we have nothing in this drop-down list. Next section right here is recipients. So what's really nice about our system is that all the members that already exist on your site are automatically placed into an email listing under the recipients section right here. So if you want to send something out to all the members, it's literally just a couple of clicks and you're going to be ready to go. Other things that we have right here is we also have import functionality, because you might want to send emails to more than just the group of people that you have in your site. So we can easily import CSV files and get them into the system. And the system is smart enough to figure out if you're re-importing somebody that's already in the system, it will not be duplicated. The additional information will just be added to the recipient. We also have a way to export data out of here again, and so we have a blacklist that we can also run, so to prevent certain individuals from not receiving any email from the system. We have a statistics section which gives you very detailed information on how your mailings are faring out there. We can easily compare mailings to each other. We can view things by domains, or which domains we've sent emails to and which recipients we've sent emails to as well. We can create as many mailing lists as we need in here, and if the mailing lists are not enough, we can also sub-segment these mailing lists or our entire recipient body with target groups. So this can be very helpful if, let's say, we would want to send an emailing to all our members that maybe live in a certain area, as in a zip code or in a town or something of that nature. And that's email marketing in a nutshell.